Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button. I've seen this before. Why is it is this his tongue? He's farting on me. God, no! Hey, he pooped me out! On my body part. Do you see my body parts?
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
That was trivia question. What's the I pressed it.
I'm a fire in my laser.
I knew what that was gonna happen. I said I did that before. Hey, 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 hey. I just almost got killed. Where's my wings? Where's my wings? Where's my wings? Guys, I have no idea where my wings just went. Where's my wings? It's okay today. I look much better without them. I think it's... That looks cool. I can... Oh my G, dog. Whoa. Ah! Dude, I shouldn't have went that way. Good job. Good job.
Victory Royale.
And that's a victory royale. Quick, get through the whole wall. Ah! Bruh. Everybody's gonna stay here till it's over. What the freak? I'm running away from my friends. They're really good. Bye, guys. My wings! My wings! Those were my wings. Okay, I got my wings back. Oh, they were flying. I was flying. Oh my god! Oh my god! No. Jump up. I'm not going. This is my cousin's mouth. I don't want to go to my cousin's mouth. Yeah. I hate you. Oh my god, look at my body parts. They're just like spreading. Like they're in a group. That was kind of weird. Look around and get to the picture. Time to take a picture. Get in the background to take a picture. Okay, I'll get a picture. Oh, thanks. I think she's actually in the game. Now look at that nice picture. Everybody was in the way.
I'm a fire.
Wait. Guys, only 4 people made it. Uh-oh. I don't want to flip my labels. Get out of here. Ow! Now I have to go to sleep. Stop making me go to sleep. Damn it. I don't even get my face because that's the face that you get when you throw a table. This is the face when you get when you throw nothing. Oh, this guy just yeeted it. Damn it, my diamond, that's my diamond. What are you guys doing? I'm doing it. Everybody's staying still and I'm pushing. Oh, bro, you're tall. You know everybody can still press your leg. This 100. It was all because of me. Oh my God! Oh my God! He just gave me a whooping. He gave me a whooping. My dad. Don't you dare give me a whooping! I've been a good boy, buddy. Haha. No, I've been a good boy. Don't slap him. You've been a good boy too. Yeah. Artu.
I like dancing.
I like trains.
I didn't know that was freaking coming. Alright. Okay guys, that's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, I just want you guys to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.